Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Everyday Technology. And if you didn't know, this is my 100th video on this channel. That is quite a big milestone, at least for me, because that's a whole lot of videos that I have edited. I've put a lot of time into this channel. And I would just like to thank all of my viewers out there who have stayed with me through the many years that I have been doing this YouTube thing. Thank you guys so much. And I find it really crazy that you like to watch my videos, you like to watch my content, and that you've stuck around for all that time. Now, to commemorate this fairly big milestone, I thought it would be appropriate to do a reaction video of me watching some of my oldest videos. So, let the cringe begin. Now, the first video that I uploaded on this channel was titled my $1,000 desk tour. Now, if you take a look at my channel and you look at the first 5 or 6 videos, those videos are not in the order that they were originally uploaded in, because my first channel got its AdSense disabled, and I just decided to create a new channel because at that time I was actually making money before YouTube changed all that stuff. So I wanted to continue to make money, and I thought that if I didn't make money through the AdSense, then YouTube really wasn't worth it. So I created a new channel, and then I uploaded all of my old videos from my previous channel in just any order whatsoever. So I'm not really quite sure if my $1,000 desk tour video is actually my official first video, but it definitely has the quality of being a first video. So nevertheless, we're gonna check it out, and I'll bring you along for the ride. Now, I'm not gonna do what most people do when they make reaction videos. So if you've watched a reaction video in the past, you'll know that the people that are reacting to the video often stop the video and talk in between, and I find that quite annoying, so I'm not going to do that for my reaction video. I'll just show you the video in its entirety, and then I'll talk about it afterward.
What's up, guys? Nate here, back with another video, and today I am going to be showing you a tour of my desk.
So one of the first things you're going to notice is that you can barely even hear me.
So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you is my HP Pavilion, and I love this computer. It's what I use to edit everything, and I just use it for everything. It is wonderful. It has a touch screen, and so that is one of the reasons why I absolutely love it. It's a pretty expensive computer. Okay, so on to the next thing that I was going to be showing you today is my Logitech keyboard. I love this. It's a wireless keyboard. I don't use the one on my computer because it's not as clicky as I would like it to be. So that's why I love my keyboard. So on to the next thing is my Logitech mouse. It's my blue Logitech mouse, and I absolutely love it. Now I'm gonna turn it to the side here just to show you a better angle of it. And yeah, it's really grippy, and that's one of the reasons why I love it. Okay, so on to the next one of my next tech products is my Ultibot Evo, and what I'm gonna do for all of my products is I'm going after I unbox them, I'm gonna put them on my desk. So I'll link the description to my video unboxing that product. And on to
my editing skills are definitely not top tier at this point.
Video is my GoPro Hero 4 Silver Edition. Now, this is the camera that I use for all of my action videos because it takes 4K quality video, and I absolutely love it. It has a fisheye lens, which you can see a better angle of everything, and it's waterproof. It's waterproof 131 feet. Now, the next thing I'm going to be showing you is my Bose wireless speaker. Now, I love this speaker. It links up wonderfully with my computer, and it gives me a better range of audio quality that I wouldn't get with the speaker that I have on my computer. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe. I will be back with you with some more videos very soon. Alright guys, I'll see you later, and thanks.
Okay, so there is a lot of things that we can take from that video. Number one is obviously I don't have great lighting at all, so that greatly affected the video quality. I actually shot this video with the same camera that I use for all of my B-roll shots now, which is the Nikon D3400. And now obviously I've kind of mastered how I use the camera. I know how the camera works and everything, so the quality is definitely a lot better. So this video is really a testament to just the fact that really it doesn't matter what camera you use. What really matters is how you use the camera and if you know how to use it correctly, because that can make the world of difference. Now, there was also a big difference between the way I edited videos back then, which was like 2.5 years ago, and the way I edit videos now. The way I recorded that was actually in a software called Cyberlink Power Director, and I recorded the audio right into the software. I didn't use Audacity or anything like that, so I had to do everything all in one take. That's why you can definitely hear in my earlier videos I use the word a lot, because I don't have a script. I didn't write a script or anything. It was kind of just all off of my head, and as I was talking about the products, I was like reading off of the box, which probably wasn't the best idea at the time, but I didn't really know any better at that point. Other than the lighting, the camera quality, and me not having a script, the audio quality was also not great at all. I recorded all of the audio for that video on my HP Pavilion laptop, and as you just heard, it was not good at all. A few weeks after I actually made this video, I did go out and buy the Samsung Go mic, which greatly increased the quality of my audio for my videos. But when I had first started out, the laptop was the only thing I had, so yeah, this was the result. The camera shots I used were also a whole lot different back then than the camera shots I use now, primarily because I didn't have a very good tripod. My tripod that I had back then was very, very cheap, and it didn't have a fluid head on it, so I couldn't get any of those smooth pans or tilts like I can now. So I was pretty much stuck with just the old-fashioned focusing in on the product, which resulted in a whole lot of camera shake for me having to reach onto the lens and turn the focus ring. The reason I wanted to do this reaction video in the first place was to just show you how far I've really come with the quality of my videos. I started out using very, very basic things, very basic editing software, and not a whole lot of skills at all. And throughout the life of my YouTube channel, I've gotten better at working with cameras, with editing, and it's really helped me gain a lot of useful skills that I can use later in life. So, although this video was very cringy, it laid the foundation for much better videos to come. And I would just like to thank all of my subscribers for subscribing and watching all of these crazy videos that I am making. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.